guys, for today's vlog, I'm going to teach you how to make this quick and easy, at the same time very yummy Balkan dessert, a Balkan pie. They call it PITA SA JABUKAMA, and in English it's Balkan apple pie. So, just quick and easy. Here are the ingredients: 6 to 7 pieces of apples. We have here cinnamon powder. This is spring roll wrapper, our grater, our baking dish, sugar, and oil. We also need later boiled water. Step 1, we're going to peel the apples. Second step is to spread our spring roll wrapper on the table. Now, we will put our apple for the third step. So we have here the grater, and we'll do this. Spread apple on the sheet. Going to spread the apple evenly. Spread it good, so all the sheets will be covered with apple. Now we're going to put sugar. And then we add the cinnamon powder, just little, just to get some taste of the cinnamon. Okay, and then put the oil. Alright, there we go. Now we are going to roll our pita. So we need to get 2 layers, see, of sheets, and then we're gonna fold this way, just like this. Alright, there we have one. Then we'll put a little bit oil in our baking dish. And we put our pita. Now, our pita is ready. But before we put it in the oven, we need to cut it and slice it first, so it will be easy for later. Now, you see there's overlapping on the sides, so we're going to cut it. Just slowly. Right, and this one we need to put on the side. Here, put on the side, and then last one. Go, last one, and put on the side. And we're gonna slice our pita. So, okay, there you go. Everything is now sliced into cubes. Now we're going to put oil. Alright, and this is now ready for baking. Sophia is crying. Just cut, Daddy. I'm a Sophie.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it for baking. This is gonna take around 30 minutes. Now this is the secret part of our pita to make it more soft and yummy. Is we need to put the sugar and boil it with water and spread it all over our cooked pita. 3 spoons. Then 4. We will bring it to boil and we will spread it once our pita is cooked. And once our pita is cooked, we will put this and spread it and then put again for around 10 minutes. Put again in our oven for around 10 minutes to bake it again. Now let's check our pita. Let's see if it's already ready. It's not yet, a little bit more, and it smells so good. Now our pita is cooked. Indicator that it's already finished is that when you see it's already color yellow. Now we're going to put this boiled water with sugar. We'll spread it over. Evenly. Alright, now we're going to put back in our oven and cook for 10 minutes more. This is the last part. Alright, now our pita is already cooked. Oh, it smells so good. There you go. Now we're going to put it for cooling down. Yay! Here's our pita! How is it, Daddy?